Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial on my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make a business card for your business category for free on Canva. I also want to use this medium to appreciate those of you that liked and subscribed to my other video I posted in the last 3 days. It really encouraged me and made me to film another video like this. So let's get started with this tutorial today. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make your own custom business card just like this for free with Canva and other platforms I'm going to use. So if you want to know how to get this business card, watch my video to the end and also like and subscribe to get more videos anytime I post them out. So for this video today, I'm going to be using Brave as my browser. Then I'll go to the search button right here and search for postermyworld.com. If you didn't get the link, I'll put the link in the description box below. Just check it out. This website is going to allow us to make our own business card for free, just like Canva. So guys, as you can see, it is another alternative to Canva because it also have the great things that Canva 2 can also do. But today, I want to use this website to only create our business card, but you can still do more lots than that. You can search different type of templates at the left hand button of the browser. You can look at different templates that they have, but for today we're going to face our business business card. So just come to the search button right here and search and type in business card right here to load the template that we're going to choose. So guys, as you can see, they have different type of template that we can use, but we're going to choose one that will fit our business category for this video. So I'll pick one right now in all these different templates that I have here on the screen. So guys, I picked this one. When you just click on it, it will carry to your dashboard. I'll just click on customize this design right here to edit my design. So guys, as you can see now, we have our template ready for it to be edited by us. So we're going to fully edit this business card step by step, guys. So please stay focused and watch to the end. So now this text, if I want to change the text, I'll just double click on it, say enter the text format. Then I can change it with saying all in one media tech. So let's do that in a few minutes. So guys, as you can see, I have changed the text into all in one media tech. So now if I want to change the text under this, that is the subtext, I can also do that by double clicking on it, then change it as your everyday text solutions. your everyday tech solutions. So as you can see, guys, you see it's a very easy thing. Just need for you to be focused and very creative with your time to get this done. You don't need to be an expert in graphic design to make this type of business card. It's just for you to select the one of your choice and design it in every format you want it. So now as you can see, I've changed the all-in-one tech and your everyday tech solution as the subtitle text. So now I want to move right here and change all these phone numbers, email, and the other things. Now as I said here, you want to change the call, that is contact number too. Just double click it, then you can input it to your WhatsApp or your profile. So I'll just put it as my WhatsApp number. So if you want to contact me, you will not have problem. That is done. Now my Gmail also, I can also edit it and then put my custom Gmail. So if my customers want to locate me, it won't be hard for them to get me through. That's done. And the website. So now if you have a website, you can also add it here. But for now, if you don't have a website, you can just put www.example.com, or you can even delete it by pressing Ctrl Del on your computer, or on MacBook it is Command plus Del. So location, you can just put in location of your choice. I can say plus 1234 street, then I can put USA. Just put in your location that you want people to contact you with. Now as you can see, guys, this is our custom business card. So if you want to add a little bit, you want to make it a little bit touchy, you can also add some elements, functions to it. So now I can just add in my logo of all media tech inside it now. So watch to the end. If you want to put any photos, I'll just come my photos here, click on it, and I will see add stock photos. Then I'll be able to choose from my pictures that I already have loaded on this cloud. Sorry. As you can see here, we have our image here, but it's not looking okay for us to input it in our business card like this. It's not going to fit our business brand. So what we're going to do is we're going to max it into a square or circular shape to make it look more fitting into our business card. And to do that, just go to the right hand side of the web browser that you're using. You will see what they call max right here. Just select it, then you'll be able to max your image into a square, circular, or any type of shape if you like. So for this my business card, I think the circular shape will fit what I want to do. So that's what I'm going to put there. So guys, as you can see, we have our image in a circular shape, like I told you earlier on. So now we can just adjust the size by this 4 corners white button here into a small circular shape that you can just edit and drag and drop it into this place to fit in our business category. So guys, we have our image at the right hand side of our business card. So when you are done creating your business card and you want to download it and send it or publish it, you can see the download button right here. Select it, Then it first save your design and download it into wherever folder you're putting it in. So as you can see, it's preparing our download settings now. Let's give it a few minutes for it to download finish. So guys, as you can see, our business card is as good as ready to be posted on any social media platform where you want to post it. So this is the easy way to create a business card without being a top-notch designer or hiring a designer to make it for you and then paying him money. Why you can do it on your own, either your Android phone or your system, for completely free in 10 minutes. So thank you guys for watching another wonderful tutorial on my channel. Please don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button. I look forward to see you next in my video. Thank you so much. Bye.